Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're talking transitional style. These are some of the pieces that I wore throughout the summer, and I'm going to show you how you can take them into the fall. This one dress is kind of on trend, which is the fall dark florals, and I wore this throughout the summer, and I'm still gonna wear it a little bit because the weather here, it's still pretty nice in the 80s, but I'm going to also share with you how you can wear it in the fall, so stay tuned. So of course for the summer your accessories are always much lighter, and here I have on some strappy sandals, and I have my jute tote, and I carry my laptop and most of my essentials in here, and as you can see, just my sunnies, and that's it for the summer style. So as we get to transition into the fall, we get to pull out many more accessories. And for this look, I'm going with a top and a bottom look. So I decided to cinch in the waist and tuck in a turtleneck to give it a separation like a top and a bottom. As far as accessories, I pulled in the gold tones for the accessories, which is the gold in the belt and the gold hardware on the handbag in this plum, and it kind of pops up against the dark floral in this dress. I went with a leather bootie to complement the leather jacket as well to pull this whole entire look together. So I hope you guys enjoyed how I transitioned this one dress from summer to fall, and with just a few simple accessories down to your booties to a jacket from summer to fall. I hope these ideas will help you pull some of the things that you have from your closet from season to season and elevate it. And until next time, bye loves.